Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain the representation of linear equation on the graph. Tomorrow I explained that when we are going to solve the linear equation, then there are three possibilities. Maybe first is unique solution of the given linear equation. Second is infinite solution of the linear equation, and third is no solution of the linear equation. Now come and try to see how can we represent the linear equation on the graph paper, and these three possibilities may be occur. Just like let one question is 2x x minus 2i, let x minus 2i equal to 0. Now the first equation, and second is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Now second equation. Student, see here, these are two linear equations in two variables, and I am going to represent graphical tracing of these equations. So from first we try to find the value of y in term of x. 2y equal to x implies that y equal to 1 by 2x. Now plot a graph, edit data just like this. Value of x corresponding value of y. Let value of x equal to 2, then value of y is equal to 1. Y equal to 1 by 2 into 2, cancel 1. Here is 4, then y is equal to 2. 6, then y is equal to 3. Now, suppose that it is a Cartesian system. And x dash, y dash, origin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You know, on the x-axis right side all distances are positive, left side all distances are negative, on the y-axis above positive and below negative. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 up to dot dot dot. 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to dot dot dot. This is Cartesian plan. Now I am going to plot these points on this paper, just like x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Suppose that 1 point, 4 and 2. Second point, 6 and 3. 3 point. This is 6 3. This is 4 2. This is 2 1. And join these points. join the point like this, you will get a straight line. Straight line. Now from second equation, from second, 4y is equal to 20 minus 3x. Now y is equal to 20 minus 3x upon 4. One data is also generated for equation number 2. X and y, taking the value of x as total calculation be an integer, just like if taking x is equal to 2, then 3 2 is 6, 26, that is 14. 14 is not divided by 4. So taking x is equal to 4, taking x is equal to 4, 4 3 are 12, 20 minus 12 equal to 8, 2. 1 point. And second is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, yes, no, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 8. If you take value of x is minus 8, then you will get value of y is equal to 8 3 are 24, 44, 11. Sufficient. Students see here 4 2 is here. Is here, and minus 8 and 11. 11, suppose that here is 11. Here is 11. Suppose that. And join these lines just like this. You will get also it is a straight line and they intersect at a point of 4 2. So, 4 to draw a perpendicular line from P. Suppose that point is P and here is M, and draw a perpendicular on y-axis, suppose that N. Then OM equal to 4 and the value of x. This is value of x. And PM equal to 2 and it is value of y. This is your unique solution. When two linear equation, graphical representation of two linear equation intersect with each other, then value is unique. One value of x and one value of y, and this value satisfies the given linear equation. So it is example of two linear equation who has unique solutions. Now come and see for infinite solution. For infinite solution, taking two linear equation, just as x plus 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y equal to 9, and 4x plus 6y equal to 18. These are two linear equations, first and second. Now from first, as question number first, from first 3y is equal to 9 minus 2x and y is equal to 9 minus 2x by 3 generated data, and this is x and y. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. And when minus 3, x is equal to minus 3, then 3 2 is 6, 9 6 15. This is 5. And again generating a Cartesian plan, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, just like this. And 0 3 is here, minus 3 and 5, minus 3, 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose that point is here, and join, and you will get a straight line like this, and this is 2x plus 3y equal to 9, like this. Now from second 6y equal to 18 minus 4x and y is equal to 18 minus 4x by 6 or 9 minus 2x by 3, just same, and every value on this line is also satisfy second equation. So when we are going to plotting this equation, all points are same and you will find again this straight line. This means these two lines coincide with each other. These two lines coincide with each other. So there are number of infinite solutions may be possible for these two equations. Because number of infinite point lies on the straight line, and every point on this straight line is a solution for this equation. So you can say that when two straight lines coincide with each other, in that condition they have a number of infinite solutions, right? Now the third is no solution. Third is no solution. Suppose that 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y equal to 15. Suppose that this is second equation. Now from first you will see 3y is equal to 9 minus 2x, y is equal to 9 minus 2x by 3, plotting this xy 0 3 minus 3 and 5, and here is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, similarly, and 0 3 is here, and suppose that this, and you will get a straight line of this. But when you are going to generate the second equation, you will get 6y is equal to 15 minus 4x, y is equal to 15 minus 4x by 6. Then x and y. When there are so many values on this line, when the number are tracing on the graph paper, you will get a just parallel line to the given line, just parallel line to the given line. This means they does not intersect with each other at infinite. They does not intersect. If they does not intersect, in that condition there are no solution. Then you can say that when the given representation of linear equations are parallel on the graph paper, in that condition there are no solution of the equations. So student, today I explain three conditions. First is for unique solution, second is infinite solution, and third is no solution. And I hope that you will try to tracing these three types of equation with the help of your textbook NCERT. And if any problem, then you can call me, then you can message me. And here I stop. Thank you.